In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Fortnite V-Bucks code on Nintendo Switch. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. So, in order to redeem a Fortnite V-Bucks card, important V-Bucks cards must be redeemed through Epic Games website. So, go ahead, visit the website as you can see, which is Epic Games website. Click on Get Started and sign into your Epic account if prompted. Select Get Started again if prompted. Enter the PIN code from the back of your V-Bucks card with no dashes, then click Next. Select Nintendo Switch, then click Next. Then review the details and click Confirm if the Epic account device and new balance are all correct. Open Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch system to view and spend your V-Bucks. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.